Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add theme showcase to your Squarespace website. So what you want to do first is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is this theme showcase. So you want to sign up on the right top corner and sign with the Facebook, Gmail, normal mail. Is completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in search theme, and you're gonna see here theme showcase. Let's create a widget, and now you can go with company structure, small theme, dedicated theme, music, band. I'm going like with a small theme here. You can really choose which one you want. Now when you got it, you want to change everything, like every single picture. You just click on a person here and you change the contact information, the name, the photo. And when you do it for everything, you can also have like call to action, disable it, click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with a basic pro enterprise. So when you got it, click copy the code here and just click plus here, paste the code and apply. And voila, wait a second, that's a bad code, this one. So same thing, plus code and paste the code here. And just click done and voila, here you got it. So this is how you can add simple theme showcase to your Squarespace website. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.